In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a reminder in New Outlook. Now, there's a few ways to set a reminder. I'm going to show you how to do it right now, two different ways. The first one is going to be to setting an email or task reminder. So you can just go and click on the My Day icon here in the top right of your menu bar. And then from here, you want to go to Do over here on the right. Now in here, you can basically look at your flagged emails over here. And of course, whenever you look at your flagged emails list, which you can pull up by clicking here and clicking flagged emails, you can basically right click any specific task or flagged email, and you can of course set a reminder from there. Now currently I don't have any, so I'm just going to go and use some tasks over here because it's going to work the exact same way. Let me actually load this. We have the test task. If I go and right click on the task, I can then go and click on set reminder, and as you can see, you can go ahead and select any of the presets, or you can choose a date. So I'm going to click on choose a date, and then over here I want to be reminded, for example, on the 28th, and it's going to be at 11. Now of course I can change this as well, and then click on save, and just like this, as you can see, you now have a reminder. That's the first way to do this, using To Do. But then the second one is going to be setting a calendar reminder. So you want to go to your calendar here, top left, and you want to of course select the new event where you want to place it. So I'm going to go on the 30th over here. I'm going to right click and then add a new event. From here, you can of course add titles and your invitees, attendees, etc. Of course, everything you want. And up here, it says reminder. If you click on this, you can go and select the reminder and when you want it. So it can be at the time of event. It could be 5 minutes before, 15, 30, 1 hour, or maybe even days or weeks before, okay? You could also add an email reminder, which is basically going to add an email reminder to stay on top of this event over here. And you can just add your email and it's going to basically send you an email reminder. So if I do, for example, test reminder like this over here, and that's going to be it, I'm going to click on over here and I'm going to do remind me at the time of event. It's going to remind me on Thursday, 30th of July, 2026 over here on 8 a.m. Okay, so that's when it's going to remind me. If I want to change this, I can just click here, change the start time, and I'm going to get the reminder whenever that happens. Again, if I want to set an email, I can just click here, add email reminder, and I'm just going to type in, for example, reminder, and it's going to remind me 5 minutes before. Save. There we go. That's done. Okay, so that's kind of all the ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.